Hello everyone and welcome back to Dynamics Academy. This is yet another video in a feature a day video series. In this video series we will cover the new features that were released with Microsoft Dynamics 365 9.0 version. On your screen you are able to see the various new features that were released in 9.0 version of Dynamics 365. We will see each of these features in detail per video in this series. And at the same time we will also see the various deprecations that are going to happen with Dynamics 365 9.0 version release. So this series is going to be very much useful and informative. So let us now see the feature that we are going to cover in this video.
In this video, we will see yet another major deprecation that has been announced with Microsoft Dynamics 365 version 9.0, which is Project Service Finder app. Yes, you have heard right. Project Service Finder app is now deprecated. My name is Abhishek Toria and I will be your host in this video. So let us now begin. In this video, first we will see what was the situation till now, meaning we will cover what was Project Service Finder app, and then we will see what will be the impact once the Project Service Finder app is deprecated, and at the end I will show you the list of useful references as well. So having said that, let us now understand what was Project Finder mobile app. With Project Finder mobile app on your iPhone, Android phone or Windows phone, you can look up for the projects and sign up for ones that best meet your skill set and the interests. You can also update your skills and proficiency levels with this app. Your resources can use Project Finder mobile app on their phone with Project Service to find new projects to work on and update their skill sets. The app is also available for Apple iPhone, Android phones and Windows phone. This Project Service Finder app available for use with Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation is now deprecated, and the legacy applications will be supported for associated legacy Project Service Automation release in accordance with Microsoft's modern lifecycle policy. And at the same time, the functionality available through this app will be available in future release of Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation applications. So the basic functionality available in this app will be still available, but in a new application called Dynamics 365 Project Service Automation app. Having said that, on your screen you will find the list of useful references that you can use for your study and reference purposes. On that note, I have ended this video and I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy. And also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And once again, thank you for your time.